everyone. We're going to simplify each expression with complex numbers. So basically what the problem is with this is that we have 6 plus 5i divided by negative 2, and I is square root of negative 1. So we cannot have a denominator with the radical in it. The main reason for that is a lot of times when you get in higher mathematics, it's simplifying expressions and complex equations. It's hard to do that if radicals are in the denominator. So what we're doing is we're just practicing rationalizing the denominator. So we have an I here, and the way we're going to do that is just to multiply this by I. So I divided by I. That's going to get rid of the radical because of this I squared is negative 1. So let's do the denominator first, because that was our goal. So when you multiply I times negative 2i, you get negative 2i squared. And what happens is that's going to be negative 2 times negative 1, which is 2. Now we have no more I or radical in the denominator. Now we're just going to distribute it in the numerator. The reason we have to multiply by the numerator is we can't change this. So basically we're just multiplying our expression by 1. But our 1 happens to be I divided by I. So you have 6i plus 5i squared. So basically this is going to be 6i plus 5 times negative 1. So your final answer is going to be 6i minus 5 divided by 2. And some people like to write it as 1/2 times 6i minus 5. So either way, either one of these answers is fine. Now, the next one we do the same thing. So we'll go a little faster here. 1 plus 6i divided by 5i. Just multiply the numerator and the denominator by I. You multiply the numerator, you're going to get I plus 6i squared. And the denominator is going to be 5i squared. Substitute your I squared with negative 1. So you get I plus 6 times negative 1, 5 times negative 1. So this is going to give you, this is going to be negative 6. Now I'm going to put that first. Negative 6 plus I. That's usually how you write complex numbers, A plus BI. Usually put the real part first, then the imaginary part. Then we have minus 5. What I would do for this one is we don't like negatives in the denominator. So I would put that in the numerator. Get it out of the denominator. And then fix your numerator. That's going to be 6 minus I divided by 5. Or you could say 1/5 6 minus I. And that's a nice way to write it. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.